Good morning, student. Welcome back to math for class 12th. Miscellaneous exercise of chapter 4. Okay. So let first question. Prove that the determinant x minus sine theta cos theta sine theta minus x 1 cos theta 1 and x is independent of theta, means without theta. Independent theta means without theta. This solution. So directly solution of determinant x, first row first column cancel, 1 1 minus x into x square minus 1 2 and 1 minus sin theta a1 2 negative first row second column minus x sin theta minus cos theta plus cos theta, first row this minus 1 into sin theta minus plus x cos theta. So x into x minus x cube minus x minus plus x sin into sin square theta minus plus sin theta and cos theta plus minus plus minus cos theta sin theta and my plus into plus x cos into cos square theta. Cut. Minus x cube minus x plus x common sin square theta plus cos square theta. This equal to 1. Okay. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, which is independent of theta. This is also without theta, only x cube, no theta term, that is independent. And that's question number 2 are very simple, 3 are also this type solution directly solve, and 4 5 6 are same. 4 5 6 you can solve already in an exercise 4.2, okay, using property. And find question number 7. This is the 7. If any doubt you can ask also next time. Okay. So question number 7. If A inverse equal to matrix 3 minus 1 1 minus 15 6 minus 5 5 minus 2 and 2, B equal to 1 2 minus 2 minus 1 3 0 0 minus 2 and 1. Find AB inverse. Okay, find AB inverse. AB inverse means A inverse given, only B. So this by De Morgan's law, AB inverse complement means inverse equal to B inverse, inverse and A inverse. Okay, just opposite. So find B inverse. This solution equal to B inverse, A inverse. A inverse given. Find B inverse. So B, now B. Matrix 1 2 minus 2 minus 1 3 0 0 minus 2 1. Find cofactor. First row first column positive, 3 1 ja 3 minus 0. Okay, 3 1 ja 3 minus 0 minus 1 raised to this. Okay, so equal to 3. And A12, this negative value, first row second column minus 1 0 equal to plus 1. A13 positive 1 3 minus plus 2 minus 0 equal to 2. A21, this negative value 2 2 first or 2 2 1 ja 2 minus minus plus 2 4. This is minus 2 into minus plus 2. A22 any plus value plus 1 minus 0 1. A23 negative 2 and 3 minus 2 minus 0 minus 2 minus 0 minus minus plus 2. A31 plus value 3 1 0 minus plus 0 minus minus plus 3 2 ja 6, that is 6. A32 which is negative 3 and 2 0 minus minus plus 0 minus 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 2 minus plus 2. A32 A33 positive 3 1 ja 3 minus minus plus 2 equal to 5. Okay, this type. So already find add join B equal to, directly you can direct also, 3 1 2 3 1 2 2 1 2 2 1 2 6 2 5 6 2 5. This is the adjoint. Then A inverse equal to adjoint A upon determinant of B, sorry A B. So find determinant B. First 3 minus 2 minus 1 0 plus, very good, minus 2, this minus minus plus 2 minus 0. So 1 into 3 minus minus plus 2 minus 2 and plus 2 minus 4, 5 minus 4 equal to 1. So determinant B inverse equal to adjoint B upon determinant of B. This determinant defined, yeah. Okay, this adjoint B, determinant 3 2 6 1 1 2 2 2 5 upon 1 1 upon 1. This is also inverse B. B inverse equal to same 3 2 6 1 1 2 2 2 5. Okay, so find AB inverse equal to B inverse A inverse B inverse and reverse. This B first 3 2 6 1 1 2 2 2 5 and A inverse already given, and 3 minus 1 1 minus 15 6 and minus 5 5 minus 2 and 2. Okay, first row first column 3 3 is 9 minus 15 2 is 30 6 size are 30. Okay, second minus 3 plus 12 minus 12 3 1 is 3 minus 10 plus 12. First second row first column 3 minus 15 plus 10 minus minus 1 and plus 6 minus 2 2s are 4 and 1 minus 5 2 2s are 4. Third 2 3s are 6 minus 30 5 5 plus 25 minus 2 plus 12 minus 10 2 minus 10 5 2s are 10. This is equal to minus 30 30 cancel 9 12 12 quad minus 3 minus 10 plus 12 plus 2 plus 5. This minus 15 10 13 13 minus 2 4 minus 4 minus 5 1 minus 5 4 5 this 0 6 minus 30 25 6 31 1 and minus 10 minus 12 0 and 2 minus 10 plus 10 is 2. This is your answer. Okay, in this time question and here. Next question number, you can find verified 8 and 9, okay, 10 also. Very simple question. And question number 12. Question number 12. Question number 12 as well as example number 15. Sorry. This prove that using property prove that x, y and z, x square, y square, z square, 1 plus px cube, 1 plus py cube, 1 plus pz cube equal to 1 plus pxyz x minus y into y minus z z minus x into xy yz and zx. So taking LHS in property find by property 5 heading x y z x square y square z square, that is right now. Okay, 1 1 1 x y z x square y square z square px cube py cube pz cube. Okay, so x y z z square 1 1, this already changed. Taking common x y and z from r1 r2 r3 and p, x y z. Okay, determinant, not matrix, determinant. This is also determinant, right? Determinant property, determinant. Okay, so taking common 1, इधर मेरे x square 1 y square 1 z square. Here taking common x from r1, y from r2, z from r3 and p from c3, right? So change this place value, this and although interchange 1 to 2 2 to this, and this also change, right? Minus and then again minus 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 plus. So this is also x y z x square y square z square 1 1 1, sorry, determinant equal to pxyz, determinant, this change first minus and then minus. So this place to x y z, this one आ गया, one इधर साइड में this change, तो x square y square and z square 1 1 1. Taking common property, x y z x square y square z square common is 1 plus pxy z. Okay, so pxy z and define this. So 1 plus pxy z, this column, and determinant x y z x square y square z square 1 1. Using property find x minus y, so this r1 tends to r1 minus r2, r2 tends to r3 minus, sorry, r2 minus r3. We get 1 plus p x y z this determinant. X is a same. X1 minus y square, this is 0. X2 tends to y minus z, y square minus z square is 0. Z square and 1. Expanding along this C3. 1 plus p x y z, this row this cancel. Okay, so 1 into x minus y square minus z square minus y minus z, x square minus y square, in factor a square minus b square using. Okay, y z, x minus y, x minus y, so factor y minus z and y plus z minus y minus z, x minus y and x plus y. Taking common 1 plus p x y z, taking common x minus y minus z, x minus y minus z. Okay, x minus y minus z, this side y plus z minus x plus minus. Okay, y cut z minus x, 1 plus p x y z, x minus y minus z and z minus x. This is a RHS proved. Okay, this type question already third, you can for 13, sorry, 12, 13, 14, 15, the same. Okay, and next question number, very simple type question है. Question number 3 ABC, you can add C1 tends to C1 plus C2 plus C3. You can also find RHS side directly. And same question number 14. Question number 14 is important question. 14, 1, 2, 3. This type of 1, 2, 3. 1 plus P and 3 plus 2P, 6 plus 3P. Okay, 1 plus P plus Q, 4 plus 3P plus 2Q, and 10 plus 6P plus 3Q. This equal to 1. Prove that. Okay, taking LHS. 1, 2, 3, 1 plus P, 3 plus 2P, 6 plus 3P, 1 plus P plus Q, 4 plus 3P plus 2Q, 10 plus 6P plus 3Q. Okay, so this find 2, this is a 2 and 3. So multiply by 2 in R1 and subtract from R2, and say multiply by R1 by 3 and subtract from R3 to R1. Okay, R2 tends to R1. Okay, sorry, R2 tends to R2 minus 2R1 and R3 tends to R3 minus 3R1. We get. Okay, multiplies directly. 2 plus P, 2P, or 2 plus 2P plus 2Q. Okay, so 2 minus 2 कितना 0. 2 plus 2P, 2P कर 3 minus 2, this 1. And 2, 4 minus 2, 2. 3P minus 2 plus P, or 2Q minus 2Q cancel. Okay, and 3 minus this. So this is also, sorry, this is also value 1. Condition equals this here. again. Okay, mistake. R2, this R2, this value 1 is fixed, 1 plus P and 1 plus P plus Q, this fixed. So 2 into 2, this multiply 2, so 2 plus 2P, 2P this, right? So 2 minus 2, this 0, 2 minus is 1, 3 minus 2, 2P minus 2P cancel, 4 minus 2, 2, 3P minus 2 plus P, or 2Q minus 2 cancel, and 3 minus this 3, 0, 3 plus 3P, 3, 6 minus 3, 3, or 3P minus 3 cancel, and 10 minus 3, 7, and 6 minus 3 plus 3P, and 3Q, 3Q minus cancel. Okay, solve. Expanding along C1. Along C1. First row, first column. 1. This right. Okay. C1. 1 into this. First row, first column cancel. 1, 2 plus P, 3, 7 plus 3P. First case. Okay. Multiply 7 plus 3P minus 3 to the 6 minus plus minus 3P. Okay, 7 plus 3P minus 6 minus 3P. 3P cut, 6 minus this equal to 1. This is also RS proof. And same question number 15. Okay, question number 15, use C2 tends to cos डेल्टा, देखिए डेल्टा C2, and C3 tends to sin delta C3. Use this method, and this adding and subtracting you can find also. And question number 16. So 16 you can solve question number 16 in the simplify. 3 upon x, 3 upon y, 10 upon z equal to 4. Question number 1. 4 upon x, 6 upon minus, this is a minus, plus 5 upon z equal to 1. 6 upon x, 9 upon y, minus 20 upon z equal to 2. This equation 2 and this equation 3. So let 1 upon x equal to, can take equals to P, 1 upon y equal to Q, and 1 upon z equal to R. Okay, so change putting. So last find the PQR value and putting in this equation. So 3P plus 3Q plus 10R equal to 4, and 4P minus 6Q plus 5R equal to 1, 6P plus 9Q minus 20R equal to 2. Equation number 4, this 5 and 6. Solve equation number 4, 5, 6 by matrix method. Okay, AX equal to BY method. Okay, so find A inverse and then solve inverse matrix. So question number A equal to 3, 4, 6, 3 minus 6, 9, okay, and 10, 5 minus 20, and x equal to P, Q and R. Okay, and B equal to 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, so 4, 1 and 4, 1, 2. So find A inverse. find A inverse. So find cofactor 1 1, directly 1 1, first row first column, minus minus plus 120, okay, 120 minus 945 equal to 5 of 1 11, 11 and 4 गया 7 plus 7, A1 2 is negative 1 and 2, 1 and 2, minus 80 minus 30, minus 80 minus 30 50, 80 30 110, 110 plus 110, and A1 3, A1 3, okay, A1 3, can find the A1 3, this type A1 3, A1 3, 1 3 positive, minus minus plus 72, okay, same A21, A22 and A23, and as already find 31, A32 and A33, and find cofactor, okay, adjoint of A and find A inverse and then putting the value. You can solve, can you solve this question, okay, and then find answer. Okay, thank you.